In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jobber to QuickBooks. Connecting these two tools keeps your client invoice and payment information consistent and saves time on bookkeeping. Before we start, make sure you're using QuickBooks Online, since this connection is designed for the online version, and that you have the right permissions in Jobber to install apps. First, open your browser and go to Jobber. Sign in if you're prompted. I recommend doing this on a desktop with a stable internet connection, so every page loads correctly and you can see the marketplace clearly. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Apps. This opens the Jobber Marketplace, which is where all available integrations live. If you don't see apps, double-check that your user role has access or that you're on a plan that includes integrations. At the top of the marketplace, use the search bar and type QuickBooks. Keep it simple, all lowercase works fine. You should see QuickBooks Online appear in the results. If you also see options that mention QuickBooks Desktop, ignore those for now. The process we're covering is specifically for QuickBooks Online. Next, click on the QuickBooks Online option. This takes you to the Integration Details page. Here you can review what the connection does, what data will sync between Jobber and QuickBooks, and any permissions it needs. Take a moment to confirm it's the official integration and skim the overview so you know what to expect once it's connected. When you're ready, add QuickBooks. Click the Add or Connect button on the page. A new window from Intuit may pop up. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them so the authorization screen can appear. Sign into your QuickBooks Online account if you're asked, and if you manage multiple companies, pick the correct company file. Then follow the on-screen prompts to approve the connection. This step links your Jobber account to QuickBooks securely and only takes a minute. After authorization, you'll be brought back to Jobber and you should see that QuickBooks is now connected. From here, you can proceed with your normal workflow in Jobber, confident that your accounting platform is ready to receive the data it needs. And that's it. You went to Jobber, opened the apps marketplace, searched for QuickBooks, selected QuickBooks Online, and added the integration. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save with your systems connected.